start with some breaking news coming in on the Tirupati Laddu Rao. Now, the controversy is exploding, and now BJP President and Health Minister JP Nadda has spoken on the controversy. In fact, he has spoken to Chandrababu Naidu. As per his statement, he has said, and I quote him here, "As soon as I got aware of this news, I spoke to Chandrababu Naidu. I sought a detailed report from him and also from the state regulator. We will examine the report and will take appropriate action against whosoever is responsible." So that is the big update we have right now. Viewers, remember there is the allegation that there is animal fat, beef tallow, that is used in in the prasadam. It's also about the palm oil that is used in the prasadam. So there is allegation of adulteration in prasadam. And my colleague Harsha, in fact, is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, now JP Nadda has taken cognizance of the matter, and he's also spoken to Chandrababu Naidu after he made those scathing allegations. Tell us more details of this report that has been sought now.
So, Rakshita, it's a very serious matter and of utter grave seriousness that the ghee is adulterated and the animal fat like beef and pig fat has found in the Laddu Prasadam, which is served to all the devotees in the temple. And Union Health Minister JP Nadda, while addressing a press conference, he clearly stated that he spoke to Chandrababu Naidu yesterday only when the news came out through multiple reports, where Chandrababu Naidu stated that there is evidence, there is an NTDB report which proves that there is animal fat, and also Union Health Minister has sought detailed reporter from the state regulator, and also appropriate action will be taken if the evidence and the lab test reports are found correct, and if there is animal fat in the Laddu Prasadam. To tell you, Rakshita, that the Union Health Ministry and the FSSAI both are responsible, both will be taking appropriate action, because earlier in the morning, before JP Nadda, Prahlad Joshi, who takes over the ministry, also stated that also FSSAI will look into this matter. The state regulator will have to submit all the report of the lab test, the NDDB report, and exactly what has been found in the Laddu Prasadam. Also, there's a massive controversy over here because back-to-back leaders are lashing out at the Jagan Mohan Reddy government that how during his tenure in the entire Tirupati Tirumala Devastham, Laddu was being supplied. There was the particular vendor from Chennai who was given the tender. He was doing, and it is an oversight which cannot be ignored and neglected, because the sentiments of crores of devotees is right now at stake. In fact, several leaders have gone by saying that there should be a CBI inquiry also in this matter. But right now, the breaking update is that the Union Health Minister JP Nadda has taken cognizance of the matter. He has spoken to Chandrababu Naidu in detail about this entire matter. He also spoke regarding how the information first came from the executive director of the Tirupati Tirumala Devastham. So we have to wait and watch exactly when the state regulator will give the entire report to the health ministry, and finally any action when is to be taken. Back to you.